the Liberty Counsel is suing the state of California for issuing a ban against gay conversion therapy for minors. Now, this was legislation that was recently passed in California. It was known as SB 1172. And basically, gay conversion therapy has been proven to be ineffective. You guys already knew that. But also, they're dangerous, especially for minors, because a lot of them would commit suicide after going to gay conversion therapy. However, if adults want to go to gay conversion therapy in California, they have to sign a form that says a lesbian, gay, or bisexual orientation is not a mental disorder. So nice. I think that it's excellent legislation. And I love that this organization is suing. They got their panties in a knot.
Jerry Brown has a great quote when he signed the bill into law. He said the therapy was being, quote, relegated to the dustbin of quackery.
Yeah,
Nice.
it's great. I love that. And look, this is not a disputable thing. Like, you know, as you can tell, whether it's a Boy Scout story or 100 stories we've done, as angry as I get about fundamentalist religion, what I love about this country is we protect religious views. And it's one thing to have a religious view. It's another thing to do medical malpractice.
Exactly.
It's another thing to take someone. I mean, they used to do lobotomies, and I don't know. You know, they had
Electroshock therapy.
Right, and they had their, at the time, scientific reasons for that. I don't know if it was moral, religious as well, right? But it doesn't matter. It's wrong, right? And in this case, you're actually doing this to human beings, and at the very least, totally messing with their heads and doing it based on quackery. So this is a no-brainer for me. Of course, it should be banned.
And remember, we've done some stories about how some of these gay conversion therapy clinics use it as an an excuse to get young homosexual individuals into their offices, and then they put them in their laps and they basically molest these kids. So,
Is that right? I mean, that makes sense, but you've done stories on
yeah,
that?
we've done stories on that.
So now whether they're molesting them is open to interpretation, but here's one of the reparative therapies where the counselor puts the guy on his lap and rocks back and forth.
Jesus.
Okay,
Yeah.
Who's that therapy for?
Can't you just describe that without acting it out?
Exactly.
That is a very fair point. In fact, my acting it out should be banned from now on in California.
Shunning. I'm shunning you.
But you know what? You got it a little bit clearer, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, you got a sense of like, I don't think I want anybody doing that.